One of my coaching clients had flu last month. When we connected last week, he still couldn't speak properly without being interrupted by his dry, lingering cough. He's 40 and in a fairly good shape. He told me that he tried antibiotics, cough drops, ginger, licorice, everything. And the cough still wouldn't go away. Biowem said, if you want to supercharge your health, follow me here. Although he didn't believe it would work, but I still insisted him to try this. I asked him to have this 3 times a day with hot water, and his cough disappeared in less than 3 days. You know what I recommended him? If you enjoy this kind of advice, please like, follow, and share. Now, I'm not promoting this brand, but I'll still share a link that I shared with him. I prescribed him oregano oil capsules.